Home and balcony gardening is easy and rewarding if you have the right containers. Indoor plants are living accessories for interior spaces that adds color and texture. Single plants like Monstera, fiddle-leaf fig or areca palm planted in right or decorative container may serve as the focal point of living room. Pairing pots, plants and the right decor enhances the look and make plants a hard-working accent to your home. The correct pots are really make difference in the growth of the plant and can even help keep plants alive and healthy longer. When choosing pots, you need to consider size, style, material and weight as well as what will be planted in them. Container size matters. Choosing a pot that is right size for your plant is key for container gardening success. If your current pot is 10 inches in size, then choose a pot that is around 2 to 4 inches bigger than current one. Little large pot will give you a space for adding fertilizer and water. In too large pots, soil dries slowly, making plants more susceptible to root rot, while in too small pots, soil dries out quickly, so you will need to water your plants frequently. Also, in a small pot, the plant could become root bound and exhibit the stunted growth. For fast growing plants like syngoniums, money plant, spider plant, you can select little bigger pot around 3 to 4 inches big than previous one because these plants grow very fast. And for slow growers like succulents, you can select 1 to 2 inches bigger than their previous one. Decide on a material. The choice of container style is truly unlimited. You can choose anything at all, from coconut shell to recyclable grocery bag to a classical terracotta pot. It really depends on your budget, your aesthetic and what you want to plant. The most common pot materials are plastic, terracotta or ceramics. Now we'll quickly see what are the pros and cons of different pot materials. Terracotta pots. I love the look of terracotta pots. They look so attractive and classic. Terracotta pots are porous in structure, so you need to water plants more frequently. Terracotta is the perfect choice for plants that like dry or well aerated soil, including cactus, succulents or orchids. If you love to water your plants, then go for terracotta pots because these pots absorb moisture quickly than plastic or ceramic pots. But the downside of these traditional terracotta pots are they are heavy, costly and they will break if dropped. Even though they are my favorite one, they add an earthy, natural decor element to the home. Plastic containers are affordable, durable, colorful and light in weight. But they tend to retain moisture, so you will need to water your plants less frequently. Also, they are easy to make drainage holes. They are heated soon in the direct sunlight and can burn the plant roots, especially black color pots, but they are good option for interior spaces. Choose a plastic when weight counts, such as with hanging baskets or plant for shelves. Also, beware that some plastic can leach chemicals into the soil. So, if you are growing edibles, use food grade plastic or good quality recycled plastic. Glazed ceramic pots. They are some of the gorgeous containers. They are incredible modern or classic in design, and now you will find stunning colors, shapes in it. I love ceramic pots, but the downside is they are costly and heavier to move. So I often use them as a catch pots. Placing a lightweight pot inside the ceramic pot. Ceramic containers are made from finely textured light colored clay and then glazed. These pots are fired at high degree temperature, which reduces the pot porousness and overall look. I would suggest they are good for indoor purposes. If you have habit to forgetting to water your plants, then select ceramics, plastic or any glazed material. It's going to keep soil moist for long time. Pot selection also can be depend on plant type. Like succulents don't need to be watered frequently, so terracotta would be the great option for them. or plants like ferns, syngoniums or money plant, they prefer slightly moist soil. So you can plant them in plastic or in ceramics, but if you choose to plant them in terracotta pot, make sure to water them frequently. Coir containers are ecological and economical sound choices. These planters are made from coconut husk. These biodegradable pots are an excellent growing medium because plants can be transplanted into the pot itself. Many sizes and types are available in coir pots. They are good option for seed sowing because coir breakdowns naturally in soil. So at the time of transplanting, you can direct transplant the plant with pot, which minimize the root disturbance at the time of planting. Coir pot has excellent water holding capacity, air circulation and at the same time good drainage. Coir hanging baskets also good option to add natural earthy element to your balcony, and they are so light in weight. Grow bags are perfect choice for growing vegetables or for kitchen gardening. They are available in many sizes. They are light in weight, easy to move. They are UV stabilized, so good for sunny locations like terraces, and they are durable. Concrete pots also a good option for sunny locations like terraces. They are durable and heaviest, so plan to place them in a permanent spot. If you travel a lot or simply don't want to worry about your plants drying out, then self-watering containers are good option for you. Self-watering containers are available in many style and size. For indoor purposes, they are good for money plants, spider plants and for syngoniums. Wooden pots are good to add natural in appearance. They will last several seasons, but make sure wood is waterproof and resistant to pest and disease. I would suggest using them as a catch pot. One important point, always consider drainage before decor. Whatever container you choose, drainage holes are essentials. Without drainage, the soil will become waterlogged and plants may die. So always choose pots with drainage hole. These allow excess water to run out and promote better air circulation. This also means you will need to place a saucer or drainage plate below the pot to collect excess water. These plates are essential to avoid mess and save your furniture and tiles from becoming dirty. For the decorative purpose, you can use pot without drainage as a catch pot. For catch pots, you can select any material or container you like, including ceramics, jute box, some eye-catching glass bowl or metal boxes. Many of you may have a question what to buy first, plant or container. I personally buy sometime a plant first that I can't resist and then I choose a container, or sometime I first buy container and then select a plant to fit in. If you select any container and you love it, just get it. You can always find a plant or combination of plant which will look fabulous in it. So these are some tips for choosing right containers for your plants. If you haven't subscribed Garden Vibes, please subscribe to this channel. This means a lot to us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening.